Hello, my name is Joseph Pena, and welcome to Overriding Superclass Methods in Java.
A subclass may have a method with the same signature as a superclass method. When this occurs, the subclass method overrides the superclass method. This is not the same as overloading. Overloading occurs when two methods have the same names and different parameters. Here's an example of an overload. As you can see, it has two methods within the purchase class that are both titled setPrice. However, the parameters are different. The first one only has a double and the second one has an integer and a double. Down here at the bottom you can see an example of how you would call on one method versus the other. As you can see, the book object is set to a price of 24. So it will go to the first setPrice method and just have a price of 24. However, the keychains object is set to a price of 12 and 2.5. So it would have a price of purchase equal to those two values multiplied. Overriding the superclass method occurs when a method in the subclass has the exact same name and parameters as the method in the superclass. A subclass may override a method previously defined in the superclass and create a new method that is equipped for the subclass's needs. For example, if purchase has a setPrice method of just price, but candy, which extends purchase, has a set price of the number of pieces times the tax, candy would use its own set price instead of using the purchase's set price. Now let's take a look at this in JGrasp to gain a clearer understanding of what is happening. As you can see here, I've already created a purchase class. All this does is create a purchase object and get the total price of that object using its getTotal method here. Now let's create a candy class that will override the purchase's getTotal method. Now let's create a candy object called gum to use with the new getTotal method that we will create. Now, just as an example, I'm going to show you how, while running this program without creating a new method, it will use the getTotal from purchase. See, we've got a double price and a double num pieces, and it's going to double P double T, and it will run using that. For example, see, our total price is 5.5. Now let's add our own method into candy and see what happens. Now you can see I've created a getTotal method that has the exact same name and parameters as the getTotal method in purchase. Double, 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 getTotal, getTotal. However, this one finds the price of the purchase before tax and then adds in the tax, whereas this one already has the total price of the purchase and adds in the tax. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, it now calls on the getTotal method that is inside of candy and comes out for a total of 5.35 instead of a total of 5.5, when the candy class did not have its own getTotal method.
Well, that's all I have for you. Hope it was helpful. Good luck.